brain. Let's begin. 1. I'm tall when I'm young, and short when I'm old. I love to brighten your day, or so I'm told. Answer: a candle.
Ah.
2. I catch flies but cannot fly. I can be found in every home nearby. You'll see me hanging around with glee. What am I? Buzzing and... Answer: a fly swatter.
Ah.
3. I have keys but open no locks. I have space but no room, and you can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? Answer: a keyboard.
Ah.
4. I can travel around the world while staying in a corner. What am I? Answer: a stamp.
Ah.
5. I'm full of holes, but I still hold water. What am I? Answer: a sponge.
Ah.
6. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Answer: an echo.
Ah.
7. I'm tall when I'm upright, but short when I lay down. I can be used in many tasks. Come take a look around. What am I? Answer, a pencil.
Ah.
8. I fly without wings, I cry without eyes. Whenever I go, darkness flies. What am I? Answer, a cloud.
Ah.
9. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I?
Ah.
Answer, footsteps. 10. I dance on the breeze but never take flight. I blanket the earth in a cold, soft light. I can gather in drifts or melt in the sun. What am I?
Ah.
Answer, snow. 'Bonus. In shadows I roam with a timeless grace, bringing gifts to the good, a smile on each face. Bound by belief, in the stories of old, my magic defies what the ordinary holds. A fleeting glimpse, and I'm gone from your sight. Who am I, riding the winds of the night? Answer, Santa Claus. And there you have it. We hope you enjoyed watching the video, Mind Games, 10 riddles that will challenge your brain. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.